Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Prius key case. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new key case, and perhaps a pair of tweezers. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and efficient. This preparation ensures you can complete the swap without interruptions, protecting your key's internal components. Now let's open your old key case. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist. You'll feel the case begin to separate. Carefully work your way around the seam until the two halves come apart completely, revealing the internal components. With the old case open, it's time to transfer the vital parts. Carefully remove the circuit board and the small transponder chip, which is often a tiny black rectangle. Don't forget to transfer the physical key blade itself. Place all these components precisely into their designated spots within the new key case, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, let's assemble your new key case. Carefully align the two halves of the new case, making sure all internal components remain in place. Press the halves together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely shut. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's sealed. Now, test your newly assembled key with your Toyota Prius to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.